My YouTube channel. My name is Shreen and I wanted to introduce myself to all you lovely people. I want to inform you as to why I'm here. What was the reason behind me setting up or starting up a YouTube channel? I would like to first say I was so not into social media. I would shy away from any kind of social platforms. Instagram, Facebook, I used to be on there, but it wasn't something I really wanted to do. And I definitely hate being in front of the camera, surprisingly, as I like to talk so much. The camera always made me feel insecure as soon as one was put in my face. And also, I was not confident about putting myself out here in these YouTube streets because no one wants to make a fool of themselves, right? But I have come to realize it's not all bad. Since joining YouTube, I have been able to stretch my abilities. Editing has become one of my most favorite things to do. Filming, I really enjoy filming. Take one, take two, take three. I can continue to keep taking until I get it right. It's also helping me with my speech, like having to speak clearly, slowly. Don't overcomplicate what you need to say. So I'm gonna give you a bit of a background story. I'm not gonna go on too much because I don't wanna bore you. I've been working in the beauty industry for the past 20 years. And I've had the opportunity to work with Nails Inc. I did that back in the 90s when I was a lot younger. Then I went off to work for Leighton Jenny for many years as a part of his team, for a while actually. And then I was signed to a booking agency called Premier Hair and Makeup, where I had the privilege to work with some of the world's leading brands, photographers, makeup artists, hairstylists, models, celebrities, and I've also headed shows for London Fashion Week. That was exciting, really good. That's been one of the highlights of my career, having those 5 years where I was signed to Premier, working alongside some of the world's best. I mean the world's best. It's such a creative environment. I just feel honoured and blessed to have been a part of that. Why am I here? I'm here because I love doing nails, I love being creative, and since I've joined YouTube, I've discovered my new hidden talent, editing. I love it. I absolutely just enjoy every bit of chopping a video up, bringing it back together, finding the right music. So yeah, I'm here to stay. Ding. So I'm here to just show you guys what I've learned over the past 20 years within the nail industry, within the beauty industry. And I just want to have a platform where I can offload. Be primarily about nails. I'll be uploading content on how-to tutorials, nail trends, Q&As, product reviews, and anything related to nails. I'm female, of course. So that comes with a long list of things. I'm a lover of makeup. I've got natural hair, so I'm always trying out new looks. Today it kind of went wrong. I did do a twist out, but they didn't twist out. I was looking a hot mess. It was frizzy. So I had to get the wand and kind of put some curls in there. What are we thinking? Yeah? Did I do it good? What do you think? Let me know. Let me know what natural hairstyles I should try next, or should give it a go, or how to do a twist out properly. That would be a good video. You should have seen it. It was a hot mess. Back to business. So, girl talk. Oh my God. I can't wait to do girl talk. I'm excited about girl talk. So keep watching. I'm a fashionista for sure. Love fashion. But of recently I've decided I'm not shopping anymore. Like, I'm of that age where I don't go out clubbing, I don't party, I don't bar hop. So I've decided that this year I'm actually not gonna buy anything. I'm gonna go into my wardrobe, see what I have, take it out and starting to put some looks together with what I already have. This year is all about saving the moolah, saving the cash. Yeah, okay, I'm having one of my moments. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe, Help me grow this community, this hub of knowledge, skill, and gossip. Because we all like a bit of gossip. Be sure to subscribe once again, because sometimes you're meant to say subscribe, because some people put it at the beginning of their video, then they put it in the middle of their video, then they put it at the end of the video. There's lots of like subscribe. Yeah, I don't know, but I would like you to subscribe. I'd like you to come and hang out and give me some opinions. Be sure to follow me on Instagram at Shreen Girl. I'm also on Facebook at Shreen Girl. Just check me out, like follow me, I'll follow you back. I'm happy to support the cause, you know. Put a shout out, Shreen, I'm following you, can you follow me? Of course I'll follow you, because that's what it's about. It's all about caring and sharing. So guys, big kiss, one love, have a good day, ciao.